Keap AI. Now, Keap AI is an integrated platform that is designed primarily for small businesses, combining CRM, marketing, automation, and sales tools. Now, the aim is to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Now, I'm going to give you a quick review of the pros and the cons. Now, when it comes to the pros, I'm going to list them out. It's an all-in-one platform. Number two, robust automation. Next, lead management and marketing campaigns. We also have reporting and analytics, customer support, and AI content assistance. Now, when it comes to the cons, costs. Yes, it can be expensive, especially for very small businesses or those with large contact lists, with pricing increasing significantly with more contact. It also has a steep learning curve. Even though the interface is generally intuitive, some of the more advanced automation features can be complex and require time to master. It also has an implementation fee, a mandatory one-time implementation fee adding to the initial cost. Then there's also integration costs and limitations. There's billing issues. Some users have reported issues with billing transparency and hidden fees. There's also the occasional bugs and glitches and customization limitations. So compared to other CRM platforms, so that's a quick review of Keap. So they say when you get Keap, you're not alone. They're completely giving you everything you need to succeed. So when you choose Keap, you'll be armed with a powerful business automation platform along with strategy, services, and support you need to grow. So give it a try.